An easy way to tell if a health influencer is a fraud is to see if they tell you to eat mostly raw food. I cannot tell you how many times I have been told, raw food contains more nutrients. Raw food has enzymes. Usually by people who do not know how humans absorb nutrients or what enzymes actually do. Humans have been cooking for at least 1 million years, so while I guess this might be a fad, it's at least sticking around longer than disco. In fact, it's basically universal amongst all human cultures that aren't excessively weird. Now, there's a kernel of truth that raw food does contain more nutrients than food that is cooked. But you know what else is incredibly nutrient dense? This kettlebell. It has a lot of iron. If you're anemic, that could save your life, but this would also give you some indigestion. Now, if we were to simmer it for a few minutes with some tomatoes and a little vinegar, the acids would leach out some of the minerals, which you could then absorb when you eat the tomato sauce. If you cook vegetables into water, they lose nutrients into the water. But then you can drink the water, which at this point most people would rename soup. And you would be able to absorb those nutrients in the soup. But the enzymes! You make your own enzyme. And if you don't make enough, fixing it is not that complicated. You could drink warm water, or rub your stomach and help your digestive juices be juicier. Yes, you can eat raw food sometimes, but it is objectively harder to digest. But if you have a digestive issue, which is probably why your phone thinks you need to see this, you may find that cooking your vegetables makes eating them a lot more fun.